Hi guys, this is Sadhu. Welcome to my podcast. I hope you enjoyed my last episode about the topic humor is the best way to resolve conflict. So in this world we know how important communication is. Without communication you cannot communicate what you know or what knowledge you have. So in this episode we are going to see about how effective listening is more important than talking. If you want to be truly influential when you communicate, we should have effective listening. Think about for a moment about what happens when you don't listen well. When your listening skill is not effective, you are hearing things, but you are also missing some important signals. It is selfish to try to make someone understand what you want to say, and selfless to understand what the other is saying or hearing. The whole concept of effective communication skills is flawed. The flaw is that it implies the manipulation of another person to get them to hear and accept what you actually want to say. Yes, that makes sense logically, but it is incomplete in a fair and balanced system. It is much more important to be able to listen correctly, to hear what is actually being said, than to make another understand what you actually want to say, in the ultimate goal of perfect communication. More emphasis must be placed on effective listening and understanding. If you look at this concept objectively, when two people are in conflict, it takes a long time to get the other person to hear you if they do not have an open mind and understand you, or more importantly, if they want to hear you, which in any sort of conflict or resistance situation, they probably do not. Effective listening ties into being selfless, less self-centered, less self-absorbed. It is more than just being able to listen from the point of view of having another tool in your corporate skill toolbox. It is refinement of your being, who you really are, and that changes everything in your life. For the purpose of developing effective communication, we have to focus more on effective listening, which requires an objective and open mind without fixed opinions, which requires becoming more selfless and less self-absorbed. It is amazing how many people love the sound of their own voice and are so consumed with what they are saying that they do not hear the other person's comments. If you have not noticed it, then look for this common trait when someone tells you a story. Notice how you or another person chimes in with their story to match or beat. Conversations are almost like a poker game with rounds of topping each other. Listening is not just to other person, it is listening to yourself. Trying to make other people understand what you want to say is aggressive, enforcing, dominating, and controlling. Being able to listen to what the other person is really saying is open, flexible, gentle, and flowing. Reality is that 90% of humans will never ever begin to learn to communicate. Neither will they listen well. They are just not interested or willing because they usually do not see the need, thinking that they do not have a problem. For those of us who wish to have better interaction through our life, more harmonious, less conflicts, this is where knowing how to speak well is more important, but listening is almost more important. If you can speak well and convey concept clearly, and you feel proficient in your skills in communication, yet you speak to someone who has no ability or desire to listen and hear what you are really saying, you will get frustrated and end in conflict. Again, the ability to listen is far more important because you will hear the other person's closed mind. You can quickly see what you are dealing with when talking to someone if you can determine their level of openness and potential for comprehension. If you cannot really listen and hear what they are saying, you cannot determine where they are at. Then you can communicate until you are streaming with. Anytime you say you do not understand, it is not that you do not understand. Rather, it is that you do not want to listen, see, or hear what is really going on. You are coming from a totally fixed opinion of your own creation. This means you may be able to convey your thoughts, ideas, and opinions very effectively. But you are not able to listen. So you're pouring water on a solid concrete and wondering why the seeds are not taking a root. Where is the fault? The water, seeds or concrete? Or the thick head during the pouring? Listening is far more than just listening on the surface. It is a complex method of comprehending the way a human mind actually works. Then you alter your own personal mental makeup and way you interact with your life. Correct listening mixed with correct speaking is the only way to have a much higher rate of happiness. Thank you and stay tuned for further more podcasts from Adi.